Hello dear student, welcome to today's class. Exercise 3.2 up to 4th sum we did. Now we will do question number 5, question number 6 and question number 7. Let us start. Question number 5. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than its width. So suppose length is x and width is y. So length is 4 more than its width. So length is equal to 4 more means plus 4 than width. So your length is x, your width is y plus 4. So x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Now, half of the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than of its width is 36. Means half perimeter is a 36. Half perimeter is 36. Half perimeter is 36. So first, what is the perimeter? If the rectangular garden means length is x and width is y, so what is the perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all sides. Sum of length of all sides. It's a perimeter. So x plus y plus x plus y. It is a perimeter. The perimeter is 2x plus 2y. Take 2 as common. So perimeter is a 2 bracket x plus y. But half means divide by 2 is 36. And 2 are cancelled out. X plus y is equal to 36. Now, these two equations, you got these two equations. And find the solutions. And draw the graph. You getting the solutions, and whatever the value of x, it is your length, and whatever the value of y is your answer of width. So okay, first take first equations, then make a table. So taking x is equal to 0, taking y is equal to 0, then if you first taking x is equal to 0, you get 0 minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. So minus 0 minus y is minus y plus 4 move right side is become negative, minus cancel, y is equal to 4. Your first solutions. In your second solutions, taking y is equal to 0, you get x minus 0 plus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 0 is x plus 4, move right side is become negative, so x is equal to minus 4. You get in the two solution. Now take the second equation. What is the second equation? X plus y is equal to 36. If in this case you take x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, if you take x is equal to 0, y is equal to 36. So don't take x, because if you take x is equal to 0, your y value is very high. So taking x is larger than 0. So I take 15. So if I take a 15, taking x is equal to 15, then 15 plus y is equal to 36. Y is equal to 36 minus 15. So y is equal to 6 minus 5, 1 and 21. If you take taking y is equal to 20, then what is the x? Y is equal to 20. Then x plus 20 is equal to 36. So x is equal to 36 minus 20. X is equal to 16. The value is quite larger, but we can represent all the value on the graph, and you getting the two intersecting line, and whatever the intersecting point, the value of x is your answer of length and value of y is. So in this video I will not draw the graph, I will find the two solution graph you can draw, okay, and you can find the value of length and width. Okay, now let us start example number 6. So fifth example is done. Okay, now example number 6. In example number 6, given the linear equation 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y, question number 6, linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical represent of this pair and the form of intersecting lines. For the means in these questions I want another equation such that the graphical representation of these two equations getting the intersecting. So what is the rule? If a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2 does not equal to c1 upon c2 for intersecting line. So if you write such a number, so not equal to a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2 does not equal to c2. So here I write 1, here 2, here 5. So I getting the equations, and if I find the ratio 2 by 1 does not equal to 3 by 2 does not equal to minus 8 by 5. So if you represent these two lines, you getting the intersecting lines. Second, for parallel lines, so easy. If you want to write another equation such that the graphical representations of two pair of linear equation in two variables forming a parallel line, so multiplying by any number 2, 3, 4, so I take 2, so 2 2s are 4x, 6y minus 16 is equal to 0. So this condition is satisfied, and c1 is equal to c2 means c1 does not equal to c2 होना चाहिए, b1 upon b2 does not equal to c1 upon c2. See, 2 by 4 means 1 by 2, 3 by 6 means 1 by 2, 8 by 15 does not equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, don't multiply this 8 into 2. If you 8 into 2, you getting the coincident lines. So I want a coincident line. If in case of parallel, just multiplying variable of x and y. But if you multiply all the numbers, 4x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0, you getting the coincident line. So I hope you understand how to write the equations. And in this example, every student write the equation and every equation's answer is never same. ओके कोई भी स्टूडेंट अगर इसका पैरेलल कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होना चाहिए और ये वेरिएबल कुछ भी होना चाहिए, ऐसे हमें इक्वेशन को लिखना है. सो हियर एग्जांपल नंबर 6 इज ओवर. नाउ एग्जांपल नंबर 7. In example number 7, draw the graph of equation x minus y plus 1 and 3x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. Determine the coordinate vertices of the triangle forming by these lines and x-axis and shade the triangular regions. Means two equations are given in the sum and we represent on the graph. Okay, let us start. What is the equations? First change a pen because the battery is about to die. Okay, I am came with new pen. Okay, now example number 7. First equation is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So x and y, a simple thing, taking x is equal to 0, taking y is equal to 0. You getting the two solution, taking x is equal to 0, 0 minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. 0 minus y is minus y plus 1. Move up, right side is become negative. So minus y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1. In another equations, taking y is equal to 0, x minus 0 plus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 0 is x plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1 goes to right side is become negative. So you get x is equal to minus 1. I got the two solutions. Now taking the second equations. What is the second equations? In the second equation is a 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. X and y. Taking x is equal to 0, taking y is equal to 0. Taking x is equal to 0, you get 3 into 0 plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. 3 into 0 is 0. 2y plus 0 is 2y minus 12 goes to right side is become positive. It is negative. So if it is moved to right side, it's become positive. And the relation between 2 and y is multiplication, so it goes into denominator. So you getting the y is equal to 6. Okay, 6 to the 12, 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Yeah. Now if you take a y, taking y is equal to 0, you get 3x plus 2 bracket 0 minus 12 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 0 minus 12 is equal to 0. 3x minus 12 is 3x plus 0 is 3x minus 12 is 0 minus 12 goes to right side is become positive. So 0 plus 12 is 12 and x is equal to 12 by 3. You getting the 4. So you get equations of both the. Now let's draw the graph. This is your y-axis, vertical line. This is horizontal line, x, x prime, y, y prime, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Okay. X is 0, y is 1. X is 0, y is 1. X is minus 1 and y is 0. So my first line is ready. X minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. X is 0, y is 6. X is 0, y is 6. So x is 0, y is 6. X is 4, y is 0. So this line is 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now determine the coordinate of the vertices from the triangle formed by this line and the x-axis with the x-axis. Means see, this one is my x-axis and these two lines forming a triangle and shaded it. Okay, so triangle is formed with x-axis. Yeah. Now what is the coordinate? So the coordinate of this point is x is 4, y is 0. Coordinate of this point is minus 1 and 0. And this is do yourself. What is x and what is y? Find it. Okay. If you draw in your book, then you getting the value of x and y. This vertices. This is for you. Okay, so dear students, here your exercise 3.2 is over. In next video we will do substitution method for solving the linear equation in two variables. Up to this class, okay, we did how to make a linear equation in two variable and the graphical representations of a linear equation in two variable and which type of solutions get from this concept a1 upon a2. From the ratio of coefficient you can find or you can judge which type of the lines are parallel, lines are intersecting, lines are coincident. Okay, I hope you like my videos and I hope you enjoy this my class. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like my teaching then please like this video, share with your friends. Thank you very much.